Well, all right, everybody. We did quite a bit of tuning on this truck. We got the new servo installed. We're running a new remote and receiver. Adjusted the suspension a little bit. And I'm sitting there thinking, because like I've said numerous times, I want to put the TF2 short wheelbase hard body cab on here, the Toyota. But until I can afford to do that, I'd like to at least make this truck look a little better, because being it's a short wheelbase, I don't have any other bodies I can put on it. First thing I noticed that made it look better was peeling the stupid window stickers. I took the sticker off of it and I was like, well, shit, that looked better already. So then I stopped. Instead of peeling them all off first, I need to put that one back on, because now I'm thinking, pull all the plastics off of this thing. Everything like the mirrors, the doorknobs, I think they bolt on separate. Got a snorkel, basket, the bumper and grill is plastic here. Back one's plastic. I think I'm gonna unbolt all that stuff, take it all off there. Tape off the bed so it stays black. Keep the windows taped off for now. Paint the whole truck white, because that's what I have outside. I got some white paint. I'll paint the outside of the entire truck white. Put all the black bits and pieces back on it. Peel the stickers off after that, so that I have tinted windows. What do you guys think? Put the basket back on it. I think white would look better. Do you guys? Everything I got's black. I mean, come on. Just about. We got a green truck in there. But don't forget, we got one over here. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 black trucks and a green one. There's still a white one in the mix. I wasn't planning on doing that until 2 seconds ago. I just sat here and I peeled that window sticker and I was like, well, you know what, where is that sticker now? I need to see if I can put that sticker back on it. Alright guys, we got it all taped off. We're going to put a cheap coat of white paint on here. I don't have my good primer I was looking for that was white. But before dinner I figured I'd try to at least mist it with some white paint. Get the tack coat ready. I'm glad them window stickers are on there now, because that means all I gotta do is peel them off after I do this and have tinted windows. Clear's better, obviously, but probably should have wiped some dust off it first and all, but it's just the price you pay. I just figure put all the black bits and pieces back on it, and it can scratch or whatever, and have a white cab temporary. Should have washed it off down there, I guess, more. I kind of did, but I think it's actually coating pretty well for a black truck. All the bumpers come off of it and everything, so that's what makes it nice and easy to do. Roof rack, all kinds of stuff. So alright, we're gonna let that dry. I'm gonna go in and finish up some dinner, and then we'll get this finished up. I gotta move it somewhere so it don't rain on it. So alright, we got a coat on it before we ate dinner, and now we went ahead and put about 2 more light dustings. We're gonna do probably about 4 or 5 coats before we're done. So alright, we got about 5 coats on it now. Let's just hope we can keep it from blowing off this table. I'm gonna let it dry just a few more minutes before I go in, and then I'm gonna carry it in the house and let it dry in the house the rest of the way. I don't want that smell in the house though. A few spots on the side that ain't the best, but again, I don't really care. I just wanted a truck that wasn't black. At least one more. Well, I got a green one too, but so anyway, once I peel all the windows off, hopefully there ain't a bunch of paint behind them. I did it in such light coats, I don't think any paint ran down behind anything. I don't really care about the side windows all that much, because I will cut them out eventually. So I got a little more paint in this can, so I was trying to just go ahead and use the whole can. I mean, just old cheap stuff, but why not, right? Let's go ahead and just try to Try to get her best we can. Keep the nice shine on it that way. Oop, and I get on my junky old jewelry box over there. And since I'm at the last coat here, we don't really, mainly you're just trying to get that sheen on it even. Let her dry and see what happens. So right now, this has actually turned out better than I expected it would, and it's really curing quick. I mean, I'm able to handle it without it peeling the paint. Now, obviously, where I taped around the windows, I just did a half-ass, and I only painted around what they already had there on most of them. So I will take my black marker, paint marker, black one, and I'll do fine trimming around the edges, get all the windows right. So I think she's actually turning out really good. We got the bed liner black. So we got clear lights. She's not meant to look pretty, but I think it will look better. So let me throw some of these little pieces in here. Like we got this piece here goes on. Let's see. I just snapped right on there pretty easy. And obviously we got a roof rack that can go on. Every time we slap a bumper on there and all that good stuff, she's gonna come together pretty nice. So I even got the door handles, the snorkel, all that good stuff. Let me go ahead and put these pieces back on it real fast. Well, what do you guys think? I still have to do the fine trimming around windows. I'm going to cut in the door cracks with a black marker or pen or something. Try to get all the, the shadows in, maybe. I don't know yet. Like I say, I'm going to go all around and do a fine trimming around the windows. Probably be cutting them windows out if I do an interior, but I'm not going to get too invested in this one because this is going to be the TF2 hard body eventually. So I don't know. I think it looks better than black. It was just too much with them sticker windows. At least now the sticker windows are gone. And I do have some Savage Crawling stickers I can put on the side. I haven't decided what sticker I'm going to go for, but that wouldn't look bad, would it? I got to get some Easy Boy RC stickers made up, but I've had many people say they can help me out, and then they never contact back. They're just gone. So I guess I have to get my own sticker machine or find a big company somewhere and just get some made. Anyway, I think I'm going to take this thing outside before it gets any darker. Why not, right? Let's go for a little cruise with it. Well, since it's getting dark, I'm gonna head over to the course and just hit a couple of obstacles with the white truck. I don't want to scratch it or tear it up. And I want the paint to cure a little more, but we are gonna go over there and run across something. Wouldn't be fun without it. Let's head over there. All right, before it gets dark, Let me find a place to unload this baby. Let's see if we can't haul across this first. Well, alright, I'm going to try some one-handed driving because with this Spectrum remote, it's small enough I can do so. And we got the worst suspension ever just about, so I don't want to tear the body up. We're going to take it easy on it, but... barely wide enough. Oosh. So far, the only thing I'm not liking is the steering radius. The rest of it's doing kick-ass. It's a crawling machine now. Especially if you don't have to turn and just go straight. I know there's a lot of GMADE people out there. They love them, support them. And again, I've said it before, I've had the SCX10 clones, you know, Endura chassis, stuff like that. And these have a lot better gearing and a few other features I like better on these chassis than I do on those knockoffs. It's a smooth truck. I mean, listen to how smooth it runs. Even without no portal reduction and stuff, I guess that's what makes it a little quieter. I'm sure you guys, there's some people out there that's put a hard body on these. Oh boy, come on. Ooh, I'm trying to do this one-handed, it ain't working out very good. Let's give it a little help. Alright. If I couldn't get over the car, this is going to be an interesting spot right here, isn't it? The Mickey Thompsons help a lot though. These tires, they go. I'm over here backing up on the obstacle, but I made it still. Maybe I made it. Ooh, better back up again. I've never used reverse Harley on this. I mean, I guess I have probably, but whew, I missed most of that because I was so on edge. And I'm holding my camera in my hand by itself, and I'm so used to having it attached to a controller that it really throws me off. Because I end up pointing the controller instead of the camera. And as you can see, suspension on this truck leaves a lot to be desired, but I'll put some Desert Lizards on it eventually once I get the other body. These are some knockoff Desert Lizard type shocks, internal spring. Good downhill control. Uh-oh. Good save. This truck is just amazing. I don't know what else to say. Even if the shocks are a little soft. sorry it got dark on me today.